Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and today I want to show you one of our newest peppers, this gorgeous pepper called a fish pepper. Look at this plant. It's just as ornamental as it is delicious. So this is one of the few variegated pepper varieties in the world. And what does that mean? It's this gorgeous two-color tone on the leaves. It's beautiful. You can see that it's white and it's green, and that also extends to the peppers. Look at that. How beautiful would that look in a salsa, in a stir fry? So the heat is about a medium heat, I would say close to a jalapeno. Of course, like all peppers, the longer you leave it on the plant, the hotter it will get. If you're not into spicy food, you can actually just cut these in half and take the seeds out, and that will allow you to have a much milder pepper. The flavor is incredible. The plant is gorgeous. If you have a patio garden, this is a great plant because it's gorgeous and it gives you food. How awesome is that?